To perform a mid-season cleaning on your robot lawnmower, the following tools may be useful. Now during the middle of the summer season, it is recommended to perform a bit of maintenance cleaning on your robotic lawnmower. Much like you would clean your bike and oil its chain, the lawnmower needs some tending to as well, with grass building up throughout the season. Spraying some cleaning agent can help loosen up the grass. Making sure that the mower is powered off, brush away any dirt and grime having built up around the underside of your robotic lawnmower. While it need not be cosmetic, but more functional, make sure to remove buildup around the blade disc and the front wheels, as well as the signal sensor area. Using an air compressor is a quick way to remove a lot of grass and grime from the underside of your robotic lawnmower. This is also an excellent opportunity to replace or flip over the cutting blades on the blade disc, to ensure a smooth and beautiful lawn. Here we're using some lubricant to grease the front wheels. Ensure that all of the security functions such as stop button and lift sensors are working properly to maintain safety while mowing your lawn. Now your robot is ready to take on the lawn.